Greetings, this is Walt Weir from Johnson County Community College again. This is exercise 10-1, configuring remote desktop. I've already logged into London CL1. I want to click System, Remote Settings, and then here I want to go to Allow Remote Connection to this computer, which is right here, and click on this. Select Users, and from here I can see the administrator is going to be here. Click OK. Close the system properties. Then I want to go to London DC1. I've already logged into that. Go to System here. Remote Settings. And also allow remote connections right here. Apply. Go back to London CL1. Click Remote Desktop. Just get rid of this for right now. Remote Desktop. London DC1. Connect. Put in your password. Okay. I'm going to pause this for a second. So take a screen. Oh, sorry. We don't do that. Choose London DC1s and disconnect. That's the little button up here. You have to close it. But we got into London DC1 right here. We're in London CL1 up here. Now we're back in London CL1. We want to type remote desktop this time. Again with London DC1, but this time we go to more options. Click display. And we can see it by default, it's up here. We want to change it to London or 800 by 600. Go to local resources and click more. And go into drives. Click local drive here. This will allow you to see your local drive on the remote PC, or in this case, London DC1. Click OK. Click connect. Connect. Put your password in. I'm going to pause it again while it's waiting. As you can see, we're back into London DC1. Just close a few of these windows. London DC1. Blow it up a little bit. Click on this. And you can see my local London CL1 drive here. If I double click that, I can see my program and use it for files sharing up here. That's all for this exercise. I only got about 4 minutes into it. I'm going to try to do the next exercise, the same one. And this one's exercise 10-2, configuring remote assistant. Log into London CL2. Put the password in. And this time we want to go to the control panel. System and Security. Launch Remote Assistant right here under Systems. Invite somebody to help. Save invitation file. And this time we want to copy all this. And we're saving the file to London DC1 software invitation. And then just hit save. It's going to ask you for a password. As always, I just take my snipping tool. I will need this later. Just going to put it over on the side. I'm going to leave that up. Then back on London CL1, close out of this. Now back on London CL1, I want to go to System and Security, Control Panel, System and Security, Launch Remote Assistant, help somebody who has invited you. Use invitation file. And again, you want to go to London DC1 and grab that file. Open. And now you want to put that password I got in this. I'm not going to show you the password, but I want to type it in. BBQ K D S P Z LLPH. Please don't do that on your own. It's going to be a different password for you. Click OK. I go back to CL2. It says on, would you like to allow administrator to connect to your computer? Say yes. On London CL1, you go back. Now I'm going to do something interesting here. I'm going to move this over to here, just so it's a little bit different. Go to London CL1, and you notice it's down here. I actually have two screens here. This one, I really can't move it. That looks better. And then my screen in the background. So this is London CL2, and I'm in London CL1. On London CL1, you want to request control, which is right up here. And as you can see, it showed up here, but I can't click on it. I got to go to London CL2 and say, yes, sure, I can do it. Go back to London CL1. And now I can move stuff around the remote desktop. On London CL1, close the. On this one, I want to hit chat to send messages back and forth. And here I just want to say thanks. Let me do that right. I still spelled it wrong. And it puts the chat over there. I go back to London CL2. And I can see my misspelled thanks. On London CL1, sorry, over here I can click stop sharing. And that cut me off on London CL2. I said I don't want to talk to you anymore. And I'm done. Anyway, that's 1 and 2. I'll put those up to the internet. Thank you for listening.